Hello, my dear learners. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So, my dear learners, in this video, we will start up a new chapter of your computer book. Okay. So, this chapter is chapter number 8 of your book. So, open chapter number 8 in your book. Okay. So, this chapter is advanced feature of PowerPoint. Yes, I know we read this chapter a little bit about PowerPoint in the previous chapter, but don't worry. In this chapter, we will see about PowerPoint presentation in little more depth. Okay, like these things, like we have to see how we create, first of all, how we create a beautiful and we can say attractive presentation. Okay, if you want to make your presentation very attractive and we can say A1, if you want your presentation should be A1. So what are the things that you should follow? Okay. So in this class, we will see how we make your presentation attractive and the best one. Okay. How we change the background of your slides, how we add different font size of your presentation, how we add shapes, how we add recording, how we add pictures in your presentations. Okay. So all these things, also we can able to add animations also in your presentations. Okay, then in your presentation slideshow is also there. So what is slideshow? Can we able to do, can we able to add different types of animations, different type of transitions? Yes, we can do all these things to make your presentations most attractive one. Okay, if you want that your presentation should be the best one, so you have to be listen this chapter very carefully. Okay, and after watching this video, revise this thing in a practical form. Open your desktop, open your computer or tab, whatever you have, and do practice all these things which I told you in this video. Okay, so I am ready for this class. Are you ready? Okay, I hope so you all are ready. Okay, so let's start chapter number 8 of your book, Advanced Feature of PowerPoint. First, you have to meet your friend. That is Marvin. Okay, so you have to meet here. So, hi, I'm Marvin. In the previous chapter, we learned that Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation software that can be used to create a slide. Of course, with the help of PowerPoint, we can able to create different slides. We can present our view, thought by creating presentation and represent it in the audience through the slideshow. Of course, we can able to create the presentation, and our presentation we can able to show the lots of we can say the audience. We can show our presentation to the audience also, or we can say a large number of people. Okay, till now we have learned how to create a presentation and add text in the slide, because in the previous chapter we already know how we create the slides, how we able to write something on the presentation. This thing we already done. Okay, in this chapter we will learn to apply built-in templates to slides, inserting shapes, pictures into the slides and much more. In this chapter we will see much more about it that you may or may not be able to know. Okay, this because it is new for you. Okay, so first start with applying themes to the slides. How we apply themes in the slide? Can we be able to do? Yes, but how? Let's see. So a theme is a presentation referred to a predefined combination of color, fonts and visual effects that you can apply to your slide. So in the slide we can apply different themes. Okay, themes related to different colors, different font, different visual effects also we can able to create in your presentation. Themes comes with their unique set of side, or we can say themes comes up with their unique set of slide layouts, including coordinate, color schemes, background, font style and placeholder arrangements. So slides have all these things, schemes, background, font style and all these things, okay, in the presentation. Okay, so utilizing pre-designed themes simplify the process of changing the overall appearance of your presentation. Yes, when we able to change, if you just able to change the theme of your presentation, then your whole presentation look very different. Okay, so it enhances the attractiveness and professionalism. Okay, so just I already told you, if you change only the background of your slides, or only the theme of your slide, then your whole PPT or your whole presentation looks very different. Okay, that's why these things are very, very important, and these things are there in your book. Okay, so how we can able to apply themes in your presentation? Steps are there. Follow these steps. Step 1, select the design tab on the ribbon that is located theme group. So in the ribbon group, see in the ribbon group 5, home, insert, design page is there. So in the design page, we can see different themes are there. Okay, so select the design tab on the ribbon, then locate the themes group. Each images represent a theme. Each image represent a theme. Second, click the more drop down arrow to see all available themes. So these are the all available themes that is there in PowerPoint presentation. You can choose any themes according to your wish. Okay, select the desired theme. So from the given option, select the desired theme. The theme will be applied to your entire presentation. So that theme, if you choose this one, if you choose this one, if you choose this one, that theme will be set up as the theme of your presentation. Easy. First go on the design button, click on the themes, and then that themes is applied to your presentation. This is very easy. Okay, now changing color scheme of the themes, you can choose color of the themes also. See, now if I want to see this green theme is okay for me, but I don't want this green color, I want yellow color, I want red color, I want black color. So I can change the color of the theme also. How? Let's see. So we can also change the color combination that are used in the theme. Color schemes provide us different color combination that can be applied to the slide. So different color combinations also we can able to apply in your slides. Steps to change color schemes. How we can able to change the color of my theme? Let's see. First, click on the design tab. So first you have to click on the design tab that is there in the ribbon button. Then click on the theme. Like this theme, if you have click on this, then click on the design idea tab. So design idea tab, here we can see the design idea tab that is there. Here we can see. Can you see this thing? I will show you again. This thing. Can you see design idea theme? So here they gives you the options of design your themes. Okay. So we can see a list of available background color and slide sizes will be available. Now you can see different colors. If you press this design idea, you can see that theme has different designs ideas related to it. Okay, choose any design idea you like. Choose the design which you like the most. It will apply to your slide. That design, that color will be totally applied to your slide. Next step, 5th. Now click on the customize staff format background option. Which option? Customize option. See, the customize option is also there. See the customize option. Can you see the customize option? This will change the color of the scheme of your slide. With the help of customize option, you can change the color of your theme. See, a drop down menu will be list of color will be appear. So the list of color that will be that is there for that scheme or that theme is appear to you. Then choose the color of your choice and that will apply to your slide. So whatever the color you can choose according to your choice, like black, blue, green, orange, that color is there in your slide. Interesting. So you can change the theme, change the color of your theme also. Okay. So all these things we can do. Now, specifying alignment. So you want to see your text should be aligned on the right side or on the left side or on the middle side of the page. It's up to you how you want to align your text. Align your text. Okay, the whatever the things that is written on your presentation. So alignment, how we can do this? Let's see. So alignment help us to align the text of the slide in various directions. So in the various direction we can able to align it on the right side, on the left side, on the middle side. We can specify 4 main types of alignment in the presentation. So we can able to mention 4 alignments that is there in your presentation. Step first is that align left. So you can able to align your text on the left side. Align right means on the right side. Align center means that is there in the center. And align justify, what does mean of justify? Let's see one by one. Let's see all these things. Starting with aligned left. How we can able to align our text at the left side. So using this alignment places the text on the left margin of the slide. So we can able to put the text, whatever the things that is written, we can able to put all these things on the left margin of it. Okay, with the help of align left button. Okay, see the left button is there. See, with this we can able to do it on the left side. With this button we can able to do in the center part. This side we can able to do in the right side, and this is the justify option. Okay, let's see what is it. Next is aligned right. So here with this button we can able to move our text at the right side. So this alignment moves the text to the right margin of the slide. Right side, all the text should be there. Okay, with the help of align right. The cursor will start writing from the right side. So the cursor will start at the right side, because you have to choose the align right option. Okay. Now align center. So this alignment moves the cursor and the text to the center of the slide window. So with this, all the text comes at the center of it. Okay. And align justify means this alignment gives a clear look or to the text and align the text on the both right and left margin equally. So it, of course, center and justify is totally same, because align center is also been that your text should be right and left side should be both equally. Okay, so these are the options. Getting all these things clear? Okay. Now we will see steps to specify alignment. How we can able to specify it? Let's see. We need to follow the given steps to align the text. If I want to align my text, how I can do? Okay. We need to follow the given steps to align the text. I need to follow different steps. What are the steps? Let's see. First, select the text you want to align. What you have to do? Select the text. Okay. Go to the home tab. See, the home tab is there. Click on the paragraph group. So the paragraph group is also there in the, I cannot able to see because it is very small. So the paragraph group, click on the paragraph group. Step 4, you can find icons for tabs of different alignments in the group. Okay, choose any alignment, like as in the previous in the above topic here, we can choose any alignment according to your, see, choose the paragraph means choose this one, whatever the text that is written, like computer application, choose this, select the one, and here we can see this paragraph group. Can you see on the green side? You have to choose this thing at the left side, on the right side, on the center side, whatever according to your choice. You can put the things on that alignment. Okay, this is how we can able to. Paragraph group means this group. See, this group that is there. I also circle it out for you. Okay, this paragraph group means this group. See, observe this one. This is the paragraph group. Okay, so the text will be aligned accordingly. So whatever the text you, whatever the alignment you can choose, that your text should be converted in that alignment. Clear? Now, inserting picture. If I want to create or if I want to put pictures in my presentations, so can I do? Yes, I can do. But how can I, if I want to add my picture in my presentation? I can do. If I want some beautiful pictures from internet also, that pictures also I can put in my presentation. Okay, any picture I can able to put, whether it's mine picture, whether it's your picture, whether it's we can say a star's picture or a moon or a sun picture, we can add any of the pictures in your presentation. Okay, so let's see how can I able to add pictures. So pictures make slides and presentation look more attractive. Of course, my presentation look more attractive if I add my pictures and we can say pictures on it. Okay, we can insert pictures from the clip art gallery, from the already saved images in our computer, or from online source. We can able to choose pictures from online or the pictures that is there in your clip art gallery. Okay, so let us learn to insert pictures in the presentation to make our presentation look more presentable and appealing. So we can see how we can able to add. Okay, so These are the steps if I want to add up pictures in my presentations. So inserting pictures from computer. First we will see if I want to add pictures from the computer. Means the pictures that is already there in my computer. That picture I want to add in my presentation. So what are the steps I need? So to insert pictures from the computer, follow these steps. These steps you have to follow if you want your picture should be there from the computer. Okay, mostly we have the lots of pictures in your computers. So first you have to click on the slide in which you want to insert a picture. First click on that slide, because there are, for example, you made 7 slides. So in the 7th slide, which slide you want your picture should be added? Slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4, which slide? So choose that slide first. Okay, then click on the insert menu and click on image option. So insert menu, image option or picture options, this is same. See the insert option that is there in the ribbon button. Click on insert, click on the picture button. Then click on the down arrow of picture and choose this device. So you have to choose this device. See, this device option is there. This device means the picture that is already available in your desktop. You have to choose that picture. Okay. So for example, these pictures are there already in my desktop. So I want to choose this pass off computer picture. So I have to click this picture and click insert option. Okay. If I click that insert picture, then only that picture will be inserted in my slide. Okay. So step 4 is that the insert pictures dialog box appear on the screen. Of course, insert box appear. Find the location of the image where you want to insert the picture. See, this picture is already inserted in your slide. So select the pictures and click insert button. The inserted picture will be inserted in your slide. This is how we can able to select or able to add pictures in your presentation. Now, creating a photo album. Now I am done how I can able to add pictures in my slide, how I change my theme of my presentation. Now I want to make a photo album. You already know photo album. Normally wedding photo album is there in your homes, in which lots of photographs are there. Okay, now I want to make a photo album in my presentation. How? Let's see. I am here. This chapter tell you, teaches you everything. Okay, that is useful to you. So okay, so creating a photo album. So how I able to create a photo album? So friends, do you know that PowerPoint help us to combine all your photos to create a nice album? So of course, this feature is there in my PowerPoint. That is, they can create a folder of your photos and create a photo album of it. Okay, which you can display on the audience. So this photo album you can able to display to the audience also. Photo album means collections of photos. Okay, so we need to follow the given steps to create a album in the PowerPoint. So you have to follow these steps if you want to create a photo album. First, click on the insert tab. See, the insert tab is there. Which tab? Insert tab. Okay. Second, go to the image group. Which group? Image group. See, image group is there. Image group, in image you can see the photo album, that is the fourth option that is there. So go to the image group, select photo album, then click new photo album. See, click on new photo album after it. See, then in the photo album dialog box, click file and disk. So you have to click on file and disk, because the photo that is already there in your computer, that photos comes in that photo album. So click on file or disk option. Okay, then fourth option, select the photo individually. You can select the individual folder or the whole folder. You can select that folder is put in that photo album category. Okay, so select the individual photos or select the folder that contains a picture you want to insert. Select the whole folder also, or select individual pictures that you want to put in the photo album file. Okay, then click insert on it. So if you're done with that picture, if you individually select the pictures and click on insert button. Okay, step 5, to record the picture inserted, use the arrow button to move the picture up and down the list of the picture in the album option. Okay, step 6, click create. Which option you can click? After click, the photo album is ready. This is how, see, the option create is there. After selecting all the pictures or the folder, apply on the create button. That will automatically create a photo album of you. and that photo album you can show to the whole audience. Okay, this is how we can able to create a photo album. Okay, now it is clear how we can able to do. Go on, insert, go on photo album, select the photo individually or select the whole folder and create, and then click on create, and your photo album is ready to show. Now, screen recording. Can I do screen recording in the computer? Of course, yes, I can do. But how I can do? Let's see. Sometimes you want to record what is happening on the computer screen and add it into your presentation for later purpose. Normally it happens to you, you want to show or record the things that is happening in the computer. So you can click on screen recording, means whatever that is there in your screen, that is there in your desktop, it automatically record all the things with the help of screen recording button. So this can be done with the help of screen recording option in the PowerPoint. So screen recording option is also there in the PowerPoint presentation to record all the things that is happening or that is going on your screen of your computer. Okay. Normally nowadays online classes will be conducted with the help of screen recording. Okay. So how we can able to create this? First, click on the slide in which you want to add the screen recording. Click on the slide. Okay, for example, you are reading that slide and you are marking something, so you want to record the voice also. Okay, so the slide and the voice will be recorded with the help of screen recording button. Okay, then click on the insert tab. So go on insert tab and screen recording option box is there. Video option is also there, audio option is also there, and screen recording option is also there in your desktop or in your laptops. Click on the insert, then only this option come. Okay, then click the selected area also. Okay, you can select the area also. This much area I want to record. If you want to record only a part of the screen, click this option, change the cursor into the crosshair. You now click the drag on the screen to select the area you want to record. You can select the area of your screen which you want to record. Which area? Screen area. Okay, computer area, whatever area you can call it. Okay. Step 4, click record to start recording process. See, if you want to select this record button, then the recording process will start. Okay. Step 5, while the recording is going on, you can choose any of the following option. You can choose, when you start the recording, you can choose any of the option. What these option all about? Let's see. What this option? First option, click pause to temporarily stop the recording. If you want to stop the recording, click on pause button. Click record to resume recording. If you want to resume the recording, click on record and click stop to end your recording. Click on stop button to end your recording. So these are the pause, record and stop option is there. Pause for temporary stop, record means to resume your recording, and stop means to end your recording. Okay. Step 6. Which step 6? So when you stop the recording, it automatically get displays on the slide initially selected. So when it stop, it automatically will be shown in your right or left side of your screen. Okay. So 7th option, to save the recording as a separate file, right click on the recording and select save media as option. Give the file name and your file or your screen recording is selected. Okay. This is how we can able to we can able to record the things that is there on the screen. Normally we can do this if you want to teach some student or something like that. If I want to show my presentation, so I do not show the presentation live, so I will record all the things with the help of screen recording. Okay, so this is how we can do. Next is inserting word art. Word art I can insert. Okay, how? Let's see. Word art is a gallery that contain text styles and can be added to the presentation to make the slides look more impressive. So we can add some very beautiful text to your presentation, so that's why your presentation look little bit attractive. Okay, so it helps us to create decorative text and contain various types of effects that can give the text. So in the text we can able to give some shading, some boldness, some effects to your text, so that's why it's look beautiful. We need to follow the given steps to add word art in these slides. So we can able to follow these steps if you want these word art in your presentation. First, click on insert. Of course, insert button is the famous button. Click on insert tab located on the menu bar. Click on word art button. So word art button is also there. See, word art button. A list of text style will appear in the drop down menu. See, the list of styles comes up. Okay, in the different shading and effects and shadows, okay, of that text will be appear. Okay, red, blue, green, orange, whatever you can choose. Now, step 3, choose any one of the styles that you want to apply in the text. So choose any style that you want to apply in your text. A placeholder will default text appear on the slide. Then that replace the placeholder text and the typing of new. See that now computer application is written in a new and now we can say bold form of the text is used because we use word art. Okay. Now the text will be inserted in the chosen text of word art. This is how we can use word art in presentation. Okay. Now I want to insert shapes in my presentation. Different shapes I want to add. So I can able to add. I can do anything. It's up to you. It's your presentation. Okay. So auto shapes or shapes in a feature of PowerPoint that contain a collection of different types of shapes like basic shapes, rectangular, call outs, arrow, bubbles, etc. We can choose any type of auto shapes that we want to insert in the slide. We need to follow the given step to insert the shapes in the PowerPoint. So you have to follow these steps to add shapes in your presentation. What are these steps? Let's see. First, click on insert menu located in the menu bar. So again, you have to go on insert. Again, you have to go on the shapes button. So click on the shape button on the illustration tab. See the shapes. Different shapes are there. Up, right, down, right. All these shapes. Okay. Step third, a list of ready-made shapes will open on the screen. The list of ready-made shapes are there on your screen. Step 4, choose the type of shape that you want to insert in the slide. Choose a shape according to you. The desired shape will be inserted in the slide. See that now if I choose this happy or this smiley face, that face automatically will be there in my slide. Step 6, we can resize the shape by dragging it through the size handle. Okay. So we can do this. Increase and decrease the shape of the shapes we can also do. Now we can also fill color in the shape through shape fill button. So see the shape fill button, with the help of that, see my shape is in different color. Okay, so I can change the shape of my color of my shape also. Okay, if I choose a rectangular shape, I want my rectangular shape is blue, green, orange, pink. Yes, I can do it. Okay, now step 8, we can also apply ready-made designs in the shape inserted in the style. See, ready-made design is also there. You do not need to do anything. All the things are there in inbuilt of the presentation. You have to just choose. Okay, so your shapes are ready in your presentation. Now slide transition. I want to see transition effect in one slide after another slide. Okay, I want some transition between the slides, so I can able to add transitions. Okay, let's see how. Slide transition is the effect that we apply to the slide when one slide changes to another. Okay, when one slide change into another, between one and the second first one and the second one slide, between there should be a transition. Okay, this effect is applicable at the time of entry and exit of the slide. At the entry and the exit of the slides, we need to follow the given steps to add slide transition effect to the slides. We can able to add. Okay, first click on transition tab. Which tab? Transition. Second option, click on transition drop down arrow. A box with available transition effect appear. So all the effects, see, these are the effect that is inbuilt in the PowerPoint presentation. You can add these transition effects, okay, in your presentation. Next, step 3, choose the transaction which you want to apply in the slide. Choose a transaction, okay, whatever the transaction you can choose, that will be automatically will be comes, or we can say put in your presentation. Now click on the timings also. See, the timings and the sound also we can able to do. So click on the timing tab to set the duration of this transition. Now step 5, you can set the transition change over on mouse click or automatic setting also. Now we can say apply, click on apply or apply to all. So one transition can apply to the whole slide also, or we can change the transitions also. Okay, between the slide we can change, and we can put one transition to the whole slides also. So when we click on apply to all, then the effect will be applicable to all the slides. Okay, this is how apply all works. In that we can say that transition will be applied to all the slide. So if we click apply, then it will be applicable to the current slide only. Now the 7th, click on the preview to see the slides after its effects. Okay, with the help of preview option, we can see all the slides with their transitions, whatever the transition you can put. Okay, this is how we can add. Okay, now we will see custom animations. If I want to customize some animations, okay, this is also we can do. See, this is the thing. We can make it very beautiful. Okay, let's see how we can add. So custom animation is a set of animation effect that we give to the individual object on the slide. PowerPoint allow us to give a separate animation effect to all the object placed on the slide that can be control the movement of the object on the slide. We can also control the entry and exit of the object on the slide during the slideshow. We need to follow the given steps to add animations to the slide. How we add? Let's see. Step 1, click on animation tab and choose the option animation style. So animation with first click on animation and the animation style you can go. Step 2, click on the object on which you want to apply the animation. So click on that slide in which you want to add some animation effect. See, these are the animations effect. So choose the animation, add animation, and choose the style from the animation. And step 4, choose the text and the given separate animation text also. The text also you can able to choose. And step 5, click apply and review the animation. We can also change the order of the animation as per the requirement also. And step 6, again you have to set the animation to change by using on mouse click or automatic. And step 7, the selected animation will be applied to the object. This is how we can able to add all these things, whether it is animation, transitions, background, themes, voice, screen recordings. We can do all these things in your PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so I am hoping so that much is totally clear to you. This chapter is very interesting if you do all these things in a practical way. Now I teaches you this chapter. I am hoping so 50-60% is totally clear to you. Now 30-40% is up to you when you try these things in a practical form in your computer or in your desktop. Okay, so comment down below if you try this thing and all these things are clear to you after practicing it. Okay, so that's all, my dear learners, for this class. I will meet you in your next class with another chapter. Okay, till then, take care of yourself, have a good care of yourself, and bye bye.